Christy here. I'm here today to share with you the latest Feed Your Craft kit called Glass Half Full, coming out today, June 15th. It is designed by Brandy Kincaid, who I'm like the hugest fan of. She can do no wrong in my books. Everything she creates is gorgeous. This kit comes with an assortment of 3x4 cards, 4x6 cards, and a stamp set. There's also some digital printables available to you that I'll show you in a little bit. But I want to start with the stamp set. Loving the floral. This would make a great border or just the top and bottom of a filler card. And then all her sentiments are just so awesome and so easy to incorporate into any sort of project. They're so versatile and I just love it. These bees and the beehive are one of my favorite things on this stamp set. It's so cute and this reminds me so much of Winnie the Pooh, and I love this sentiment as well. So that's included in the kit. I want to quickly just run through the cards. The 4x6 in this kit are my favorite, like of all time. This floral is beyond beautiful. I could print this a million times and never tire of it. I just love the light blue and the pops of darker blue and the reds and the pinks and the yellows. I just love it. So all of their cards are backed with a dot pattern, which makes it really easy also just to use the back as like a journaling card or just kind of a more neutral filler card if you needed. The suns, you could use it all kinds of different orientations. I like it this way the best, but you do what you want. And I'm sure some of these sentiments would fit perfectly inside the suns. This one is my favorite too. I just love I love when a card incorporates all the colors in the kit, and this card does that for sure. And of course, a good quote. And these cups are so cute. She used some of these cups in the Hold Tight kit, I believe. And then another quote, not everything will be okay, but some things will. So again, super applicable to all projects, I think. So I'm just going to put this one on top because it's my favorite. 3x4s. I'm loving this blue. I'm loving it. So Hope is a Habit. Some leaves here. This circle pattern. This would be great just to put a picture in or some journaling. I'm not sure how I'm going to use this quite yet, but I'm thinking a picture. Just punch a picture there. I think that would be perfect. Making Sunshine. Love this chalkboard pattern. Even the darkest night will end and the sun will rise. Half empty, half full. We are all in the gutter, but some of us are looking at the stars. I love all the white that she includes in these kits too. These bumblebees are so cute, and I just kind of want to replicate this pattern using the stamp set. So maybe I'll try to do that. And this card too I love, and I just feel like this stamp would go perfectly just randomly in a bunch of these circles. This is one of my favorites. So cute. And this one I love too. And I love this. I love when they include the journaling cards because it just cuts down on the work for me. So in addition to these products, the stamp set and the cards that come in your physical kit, you also get some digital downloads. So you get all the cards, which you can print as many times as you'd like. You get a full sheet, 8.5 by 11 of die cuts or like ephemera pieces. And then you also get a sheet that has a mix of die cuts and a mix of cards. So I want to just quickly show you. This is the cards that I've just printed at Staples. The colors are a little off, and I'm thinking that's the fault of Staples more than anything. It doesn't bother me too much, but it is a little bit noticeable. Not so much on this pink card, but let's see if I can find one maybe. I don't know, it's just a little bit off, right? You can see a little bit. So these are the cards. So you get all of those. And you also get these individually, so that's great for modifying. So if you wanted to turn this into like a 4x6 or this into a 4x6, it would be pretty easy. And I don't have Photoshop or anything fancy, so what I usually do is put it into oh, I can't remember the name of that app now. I put it into Letterglow, which is one of my favorite apps, and it allows you to kind of alter cards and things and create a canvas and change them up. So that's what I did. That's what I did for the mini album that I created for my day in the life. So the kit includes that, and it also includes this sheet, which has 4 3x4s in addition to what's included. And actually, these two are like these are my favorite, I think. And I really like that one too, scratch that. And it includes some labels, which are my favorite too, and these circles, which can be pretty much used on anything. So it includes that. And then it also includes a full page of die cuts. Now, unfortunately, I do not have a page of die cuts to show you, but I do have some samples of die cuts that I've cut. So I'm actually going to be putting a video out in the next little bit, probably still today sometime, of how to change the PDF so that you can cut these on your Silhouette Cameo. So this just gives you an idea of some of the things that are included on the die cut sheet. So some more labels, some roses, some suns, a cup, and this floral. These banners, there's so much. There's so much. So some of these are from this sheet here, and some of them are from the die cut sheet. So be sure to look out for that. I did have some requests from, let's think, April's kit on how to cut the die cuts. So I hope that's helpful to some people. I'm not an expert by any means, but just kind of walking you through how to do that, I think should be helpful to some of you, but these are my favorite. Oh, this is so beautiful. And also these labels, I cut like a bazillion of these because I love them so much. So I'm hoping that's helpful to you. And if you are interested in purchasing the kit, just click on the link in the description box below and that'll take you right to the shop. So thank you so much for watching. I'm so excited to continue being part of the Feed Your Craft creative team. It's hard to believe that I'm already like a quarter of the way through my term and I'm just still loving every kit that Brandon designs. So I want to thank Elise and Brandy for just keeping me inspired, and I'm really happy with how my 2018 album is coming along. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you soon.